Vegetables are low in calories but rich in vitamins, minerals and other important nutrients. In addition, many are low in carbs and high in fiber, making them ideal for low-carb diets. The definition of a low-carb diet varies widely. Most are under 150 grams of carbs per day, and some go as low as 20 grams per day. Whether you're on a low-carb diet or not, eating more vegetables is always a great idea. 1. Bell peppers. Bell peppers, also known as sweet peppers or capsicums, are incredibly nutritious. They contain antioxidants called carotenoids that may reduce inflammation, decrease cancer risk and protect cholesterol and fats from oxidative damage. 1 cup 149 grams of chopped red pepper contains 9 grams of carbs, 3 of which are fiber. It provides 93% of the reference daily intake (RDI) for vitamin A and a whopping 317% of the RDI for vitamin C, which is often lacking on very low-carb diets. Green, orange and yellow bell peppers have similar nutrient profiles, although their antioxidant contents may vary. Summary bell peppers are anti-inflammatory and high in vitamins A and C. They contain 6 grams of digestible net carbs per serving. 2. Broccoli. Broccoli is a true superfood. It's a member of the cruciferous vegetable family, which includes kale, Brussels sprouts, radishes and cabbage. Studies show that broccoli may decrease insulin resistance in type 2 diabetics. It's also thought to protect against several types of cancer, including prostate cancer. 1 cup 91 grams of raw broccoli contains 6 grams of carbs, 2 of which are fiber. It also provides more than 100% of the RDI for vitamins C and K. Summary broccoli contains 4 grams of digestible carbs per serving. It's high in vitamins C and K and may reduce insulin resistance and help prevent cancer. 3. Asparagus. Asparagus is a delicious spring vegetable. 1 cup 180 grams of cooked asparagus contains 8 grams of carbs, 4 of which are fiber. It's also a good source of vitamins A, C and K. Test tube studies have found that asparagus may help stop the growth of several types of cancer, and studies in mice suggest it may help protect brain health and reduce anxiety. Summary asparagus contains 4 grams of digestible carbs per serving. It's a good source of several vitamins and may help protect against certain types of cancer. 4. Mushrooms. Mushrooms are extremely low in carbs. A 1 cup 70 gram serving of raw, white mushrooms contains just 2 grams of carbs, 1 of which is fiber. What's more, they've been shown to have strong anti-inflammatory properties. In a study in men with metabolic syndrome, eating 3.5 ounces 100 grams of white mushrooms for 16 weeks led to significant improvements in antioxidant and anti-inflammatory markers. Summary mushrooms contain 1 gram of digestible carbs per serving. They can reduce inflammation in people with metabolic syndrome. 5. Zucchini. Zucchini is a popular vegetable and the most common type of summer squash. Summer squash is long with soft skin that can be eaten. In contrast, winter squash comes in a variety of shapes, has an inedible rind and is higher in carbs than summer varieties. 1 cup 124 grams of raw zucchini contains 4 grams of carbs, 1 of which is fiber. It's a good source of vitamin C, providing 35% of the RDI per serving. Yellow Italian squash and other types of summer squash have carb counts and nutrient profiles similar to zucchini. Summary zucchini and other types of summer squash contain 3 grams of digestible carbs per serving and are high in vitamin C. 6. Spinach. Spinach is a leafy green vegetable that provides major health benefits. Researchers report that it can help reduce damage to DNA. It also protects heart health and may decrease the risk of common eye diseases like cataracts and macular degeneration. What's more, it's an excellent source of several vitamins and minerals. 1 cup 180 grams of cooked spinach provides more than 10 times the RDI for vitamin K. Spinach is also low in carbs, but the carbs become more concentrated as the leaves are cooked down and lose their volume. For example, 1 cup of cooked spinach contains 7 grams of carbs with 4 grams of fiber, whereas 1 cup of raw spinach contains 1 gram of carbs with almost 1 gram of fiber. Summary: cooked spinach contains 3 grams of digestible carbs per serving, is very high in vitamin K and helps protect heart and eye health. 7. Avocados. Avocados are a unique and delicious food. Although technically a fruit, avocados are typically consumed as vegetables. They're also high in fat and contain very few digestible carbs. A 1 cup 150-gram serving of chopped avocados has 13 grams of carbs, 10 of which are fiber. Avocados are also rich in oleic acid, a type of monounsaturated fat that has beneficial effects on health. Small studies have found that avocados can help lower LDL cholesterol and triglyceride levels. They're also a good source of vitamin C, folate and potassium. Although avocados are a fairly high-calorie food, they may be beneficial for weight management. In one study, overweight people who included half an avocado in their lunch reported feeling fuller and had less desire to eat over the next 5 hours. Summary: avocados provide 3 grams of net carbs per serving. They promote feelings of fullness and are high in heart-healthy fat and fiber. Thanks for watching.